Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a project to this PC is not window working in your Windows. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all you can click on optional features or close the windows and go to your settings of the computers, and after doing this that go to your apps. After doing this that click on apps and features and click on option features. After doing this that click on add a features, and in the search box type a wireless display. Click on a wireless display and click on a install. It's required of a few minutes to complete the process. Okay guys, after installing that, close it and go to your settings, go to your systems and go to your projecting to this PC, and now you can see that it's working. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.